how to check Twitter analytics. So if you want to check your Twitter analytics, then what you need to do is you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to open up your twitter.com or x.com. Go for the search and search for x.com. And once you've logged into your Twitter account, now what you need to do is on the left side, you will have a bunch of options, right? So what you need to do is simply go for premium option because in order to check the Twitter analytics, then you just need to simply go with the premium option. And under premium, you will be able to check the analytics. And after opening the analytics, you will see some basic account statistics. You will have the information of total impressions, profile visits, and the new followers, likes, like every insight. You will have each and every insight of that. Or if you have your premium, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go for the new tab and then you can search for analytics.x.com or analytics.twitter.com. It's the same thing. You can search for that and you'll be able to take into the insights or the performance dashboard. Or the second method is you can go with your desktop, and under desktop you can click on the more option, which is right here. You can click on more, and once you click on more, then you need to click on ads. And if you have any ads, then when you open up your Twitter ads for the first time, the platform gives you two choices for creating a Twitter campaign. Select simple to proceed, and then open the analytics tabs drop down menu in the top panel and select the account home. So in that way, you will be able to check your Twitter analytics. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.